Reddit dark mode tips and tricks you didn't know. Firstly, go to your web browser and search for reddit.com. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. When you log in to your account, you will land to the home page. On the home page at the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. And now in the drop down menu, you will see the option dark mode. You can simply click on the switch icon next to the option to enable or disable dark mode. In the drop down menu, you will also see the option settings. Click on it. Now you will land to an interface like this. From the top panel, select preferences. Now inside, scroll down and go to the section accessibility. Here you will see the option reduce motion. If this option is available, then make sure to turn it on. This feature softens transition and may give subtle changes to dark mode contrast. If you want a full customization, then you can use extensions. Go to Chrome Web Store or simply search for extensions. Click on the first link and you will land to the main page. On the very top, click on the search bar and search for Dark Reader or Stylus. You can adjust colors, brightness, contrast to your exact preferences by using these extensions. That's all for today. Thank you.